Alright everyone, welcome back finally. We are going to get to opening this box of customer wrap rolls, which I got from the bank, and I was told by the teller that they were somebody's grandfather's rolls that some kids want to get rid of. So hopefully you find some good stuff in there, and if you have time, we're going to go through this $25 box. So hopefully we get some goodies. I'm going to do some about 5 to 10 rolls at a time, and I'll show you what I got. So, looks like we did pretty well for our first 10 rolls. We got a ton of copper. These things were filled. And we have 3 pretty noteworthy ones. We have the 1999D with a large planing bevel on the reverse. And if you zoom in here, you can probably see it right there on America. It's probably about $5 to $10. And then next we have the 1979D. It's a weak strike, probably a grease error. You can see where the E pluribus unum, the E is pretty much gone. And the 1999D, another one, we have some small die chips in the United States of America. You probably see it on your screen. And right now, that is it for 10 rolls. Let's see what we get next. Alright everyone, roll number 17. We finally have our first wheat penny. It is a 1911, sorry for that, 1911D. Almost looks like it's pretty rubbed off. Let's see. Yep, certainly a wheat penny. Alright, great. Let's see what else we get. So, recap for the evening. We're almost done with the box. We'll have to continue that later. We got some nice errors. A 1911 Wheatie, which is a good one, and one I just found before I stopped, the 1983D die gown on the reverse. Let me see if I can show it to you here. You can see it on America going from the C to the A. There you go, right there. That's a pretty good one. Anyway, we will continue in the next couple days to finish this off. I'll see you then.